அதான் அக்கா விட்டுருமா 10 மணிக்கு எழுப்பலாமா? Hi guys, how are you all?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, Amma, but wait, hi guys. You all want to be off videos? I'm fine, but then you will have to answer. Since it's an early class, I'm okay, but then I would prefer to be on the video, but I will leave it to you guys. Okay. So, were you all able to get to the homework?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Did you have any questions for me? Guys, we will really grind the topic of proportions. We
I
will
had a
really
question.
go ahead. We
on
will
homework.
solve, and I want to go over a couple of concepts in proportions which I did not tell you, but I don't know whether you guys already know. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm meaning, see, let's become an expert with proportions, percentages, whatever question comes in AM8, we have to crack it. Honestly, let me tell you, probability combination is a difficult topic. Difficult topic in the sense we will get to it, but cracking at least one question probability combinations, which is very good if we go through this class and then cover it. Okay, that I don't know. Okay, what we can really do is crack all the graph questions, graph related questions. If you're a logical person, if you can understand the graph, it's very easy to crack the graph questions. Then it's very easy to cover the ratio proportions question, ratio proportion rates. Okay, that topic is very easy once you understand it conceptually. Then the second one that you can do is geometry. Geometry is going to be very easy provided you understand circles and polygon quadrilaterals. So if you're understanding quadrilaterals, polygons, and circles, geometry should be easy. Pythagorean theorem as well. Okay, so since you're all on the verge of knowing Pythagorean theorem well, so these are topics which I thought I'll cover first so that we'll be able to start cracking these questions in that AMC8. Okay, afterwards we'll go to this probability combinatorics, which is really hard, meaning school doesn't teach you. So we will go there and slowly cover that one topic. Okay, let's see how much of it we are able to. Okay, my intent is at the end of this series, right? You should be able to, meaning for if you come across a question in PSAT, SAT, or ACT, or AMCAT, you should be able to crack ratio proportions, percentages. You should be able to cover basic geometry questions, meaning geometry, PSAT, and all this might not cover. But then for AMCAT, you should be able to cover geometry questions related to polygons, quadrilateral circles. Then the third thing is probability combinatorics, at least the basics. We will not be able to cover too much in depth, and we are not going to go into modular arithmetic and stuff. Modular arithmetic is a separate topic which is so important in competitive math. If you're interested, start exploring it. But before you go there, I would really prefer you understand probability combinatorics. Combinatorics is the name of the topic. So I'm telling you the names. Yeah, it is a little bit difficult, no doubt. Everybody suffers with it, okay? But then once you have a conceptual understanding, the topic is so easy. Okay, let's see. Yeah, go ahead now with your questions. I'm here.
I had a question on number 7.
Number 7. Sorry. I didn't bring it right. Bring it up. See, if you're not able to do every homework problem, I am feeling it's absolutely okay. But I gave you only 12, right? So if you can do that, it's good for you.
There was 16.
Oh, 16, sorry. 16. But I felt some of the questions were very easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or it was tough, huh? No, and I gave you more. Oh, I didn't give you more time. Okay. Okay, let me show you. No, actually, the homework is not due until 12 today. That's okay. Even if you've not done everything, right? When you go through, you will know whatever questions you won't know. That you ask here. If we discuss it on the table, it'll become much more clear and you won't forget. I'm going to share. Hold on, guys. I'm not able to find Chrome. Vidyut, you're learning something here?
Yeah.
Good. Yes.
And also, I did not understand like what directly proportional and
Yes. That is the topic I wanted to cover. I told you, right? I wanted to cover one topic. I don't know how many of you know. See, there are two quantities, X, Y. Okay. When they are directly proportional, right? Meaning this is just a logical explanation which you can apply to every problem. When they are directly proportional means what basically? Meaning if this increases by a factor of 2, this as well increases by a factor of 2. There is always a multiplier. Do you see it? So that is what is directly proportional. When this decreases by a factor of half, this as well decreases by a factor of half. So basically that's it. There is a multiplier that can go with it. So what can I say about it? How can I connect these two quantities? Can I say directly like this? Meaning, if there is a relationship between them, if k is equal to 1, y will be equal to x. So if y changes from 2 to 3, this as well changes from 2 to 3. Do you see it? If this increases, this as well increases. This decreases, this as well decreases. Do you see it? So if they are directly proportional, how can you relate the two quantities y and x? Y, the output will be equal to k times the input. Any questions? This k is the multiplication factor. You know what? In mathematical terms, very sophisticated way of calling it is constant of proportionality. The name is huge, but it's nothing. It's a multiplier. Any questions here? Now, if they are inversely proportional, what is this inversely proportional? See, these are all complex names, but they are very easy to understand. This means, see, if an x increases double, x becomes 2x, y becomes half x. You see, when it multiplies by 4, it becomes 1 by 4. Yeah,
how does y become half x?
Oh, sorry. Y becomes half y. Sorry. You got it? So, see how this works. Let's go ahead. Directly proportional. First, let's do that. Is y will be equal to kx. Directly proportional means there is a multiplier between connecting the two quantities, meaning both are in the numerator on either sides. You see, either side, both are in the numerator. So that one increases, the other as well increases. Suppose, let's say x was 1 here. What happens? Y equal to k. Now, x becomes 2. What happens? Y becomes 2k. Do you see? X equal to 3. What happens? Y becomes 3k. Do you see? Meaning irrespective of the multiplier value, the multiplier is always there. But then x increases means y as well increases. X decreases. Suppose x becomes half. What happens? Y becomes k by 2. Don't worry about k. K is just a variable, right? It's always a constant everywhere. So k by 2. See? X decreased from 1 to half. Y also decreased. So this is what is directly proportional. That is why commonly just take this. There is nothing else required for directly proportional. If it is inversely proportional, right? That's a little tricky. Let's see. Now, y equal to k by x. You know why? See, this is in the numerator on this side. This is in the denominator on that side. Do you see it? Meaning, suppose x originally was some quantity. X becomes 2. What happens to y? K by 2. Do you see? X becomes 4. It is quadrupling. Y becomes k by 4. Do you see what happens? Proportionally, y decreases. That is why it is inversely proportional. Means one of the quantity increases, one of the quantity pretty much to the same extent decreases. Okay, it can be x or y. X can decrease or x can increase. It's the opposite in the case of y. That is why you put 1 in the denominator on the other side. You got it, guys? So the general formula for inversely proportional, take it as for any two quantities. Take it like this. Any questions? You understood why we are taking, right? Simply don't memorize formulas. It's never going to help. But understand and take it in. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, there is something called, see, this one is never taught at school, even in Algebra 2. Algebra 2, you learn all this, okay? Inversely proportional, directly proportional. Directly proportional means you will learn that y equal to kx. Inversely proportional means y equal to k by x. This is what you learn. Okay? But jointly proportional means there are multiple quantities. X, Y, W, K, Z, any number of quantities you consider. Okay, the multiplying factor between these quantities is always K. Okay. Let's say I give you a problem. Okay. X is directly proportional to Y and W. Inversely proportional to K and Z. How will you write this equation? You know how the equation connecting X, all of these quantities can be written? Hold on, I'm not able to write properly. Wait, I'll write it down here, okay? X is directly proportional to YW, inversely proportional to KZ. That's what I gave you, right? I don't want K. K is the constant of proportionality, right? Let's not confuse that. T and Z. Now, how will I write the formula? You want to write it? Go ahead, Harshad. Go ahead.
Could you write it for me? I can't. So
Yeah, sure.
Auntie,
if it's
Yes,
your
Samantha. 1 minute, Amma. 1 minute. Harshad, I know you were talking. I'm intervening you. I'm sorry. What is it, Samantha?
is the formula x equals k, like k and then yz over w?
Y is directly proportional to Y and W, right?
Oh,
Correct.
y over z.
Correct. So how should the formula come? Harshit, I'll come back to you. Don't worry. You're answering, right? That's why I didn't wait.
So wait, we're doing number 5, right, Auntie?
Yes,
number 4
but I didn't want to tell you that. I'm going to give that to you. I'm going
Okay.
to ask the next question as these two. So don't worry about it. Just tell me the formula here.
Okay. So yw over z.
TZ. T is also another quantity
Yeah.
inversely proportional. Do you get it?
T,
So this
yeah.
is how you relate them. Inversely proportional means, see, X, the quantity that, see, X is the main quantity. Directly proportional means this also should come in the numerator. Then only it will increase. If this increase, Anika, yes, I saw your hand. Go ahead, Ma. What did you want to say?
Well, I just wanted to answer the question.
Answer the question. But the same thing? No problem. I'll give you and Harshad the turn to explain these two problems. You got it? Okay. So, oh my God, my battery is going to go. So you guys can proceed with these two problems. Whoever understood this formula, you can go ahead and these two problems. But don't memorize the formula. Directly proportional means both should be in the numerator. That's all with that multiplier K. Inversely proportional means whatever quantities are inversely proportional go to the denominator because they decrease proportionally. That's all. Harshad, go ahead and talk, Harshad. Sorry, Harshad. You wanted to explain too?
No.
No problem. You can explain 3 or 4. Don't worry. 3, Anika, 4, you or whatever. You can exchange. Does it make sense, Harshad? Okay.
Could you please repeat that? I couldn't hear you properly.
No, 3 or 4, you can very well explain. Don't think that I didn't
Before
give you.
that, you said something about universally proportional.
This is what is joint proportionality because you have too many quantities in place, right?
What
So
about
you-
inversely proportional?
Inversely proportional, see, inversely proportional, that's what I said, right? K by X. Because see, if this becomes 2, y the quantity becomes half. You see, when X doubles, y is multiplied by half. When X quadruples, y, what happened? 1 by 4 of X. Do you see? So you
Yeah.
put it in the denominator if the quantity is inversely proportional. You got it? Okay, let's go ahead and try 4 and 5. Quick, come on. 4 and 5 was what? No, 3 and 4. Always you have to know the multiplier. If they give you the two quantities, first you need to understand what is the multiplier. That multiplier will always apply for every scenario. You might have done this problem, it's okay.
X times. I don't know how to solve this.
No problem, I'll help you. I'll get the battery and help you, otherwise I'll lose.
Wait, is it x times 2 times y?
X equal to y equal to kx. Output is always equal to kx for directly proportional.
Like the first letters.
Inversely proportional means y equal to k by x.
Right, okay.
But these problems, okay, these problems come from volume 1 of AOP's book.
What is universally proportional though?
Inversely, I.
Oh,
Sorry.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. I was kind of.
Anika, I'm sorry, that is I.
Y equal to 6, so 6 is equal to 10 by,
Don't shout, everybody's working. Say,
wait, is that y equals 6 or 5?
Y equals 6.
that's right, Samantha.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, please come back. You can send it in chat. Harshit, are you stuck?
Kind of.
Kind of. Where? Why are you stuck? Tell me, Harshit.
Well, I've got K, but like, what is X when Y is equal to 4? I don't understand what to do.
Yeah, the same formula you can use, right? This is the formula for every relation between X and Y, you'll use the same formula. Using this relation, you found out K. Then apply that. You know Y, K. You have to find out X. Am I making sense, Harshad? Harshad, am I making sense? 15. Why are you all getting 15? Y equal to K by X, right? Inversely proportional because Y should be in the numerator, X should be in the other side denominator.
Wait.
So,
Auntie, number 3 is 15 though.
oh, number 3. Oh, okay, ma. Okay. So you answered for 4th. Okay. Thanks. Anika correct, Priya. Okay, Harshita correct, Harshit correct. Hey, Harshita, you're learning something here, Harshita, from apart from the.
Yeah,
You
it's
are.
helpful.
Yeah, that's what I thought, right? Yeah, you are getting it. Okay, good. Diya, Harshit correct. On 4 of you. Yeah, ma.
I can't see the question.
Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. It's my bad. You're seeing it now?
Yeah.
Sorry. I wanted to check the answer. I paused the share.
Miss
Oh.
Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
is it WY Dewey or WYZ? I can't tell.
Oh, my writing is so bad, huh? Which one? Yeah, WYZ, correct. WYZ.
Wait, no, the one before it.
The one before. This is also WYZ.
Okay.
Shrikar, did you get the third one, Shrikar?
Yeah, but I'm sending it at the same time. So
Oh, okay. I am thinking 1 and 2, I'm not going to revise at all. And I'm not going to revise 5 as well. I'm properly assuming you guys know. See, this one I want to work with you guys on this conversion, because that conversion comes everywhere in some competition or the other, and people make mistakes because they don't know how to convert. Understand the fourth one? I'll help you. Anika, just write out the formula. Anika, for the fourth one, x is directly proportional. X is directly proportional to y and z. It always is a multiplier. Directly proportional to yz means you only told the answer, right, Anika? And inversely proportional to w. This is the formula you'll apply. So use these values to get the value of k. And then apply the same k, same formula here and find out x.
Auntie,
Yeah, ma.
my computer's glitching. Can I relog in?
You can. But Swarit, I didn't get answers from you. Are you understanding, Swarit?
Kind of, yeah.
Kind of. Illa. Where is that you didn't understand? I'm here to help.
Okay.
Okay. Come back and ask.
Okay.
Hey, you all know about alchemists, huh? You know about alchemists? Diya knows, I know. Harshita, you know about alchemists?
No.
Okay, I'll show you. Start doing problems there, meaning whenever you're free, right? See, that solidifies your mathematical foundations. I'll show you. Hey, you know Samantha?
I don't know, Auntie.
Shrikar, you don't know, right?
No.
See, I'm going to show you guys alchemist, okay? You start doing, okay? Usually in classes, you know what I do? I ask people to share, kids to share how much they have done. Okay, target at getting a 97 in every topic in alchemist. You'll be great with the foundations. I'll show you what is alchemist. Shrikar, whenever you're free at home, right, Shrikar?
Yeah.
When you don't have stuff to do, no homework to do, right?
Yeah.
You can sit and do alchemist. You'll develop a very solid understanding. Where are you? Money 9:53. Did you have a question, Amsni? Correct, Harshita. Correct, Kanika. See, when it comes in algebra 2, you'll all find it very easy, this topic, direct variations and inverse variations. It's way far, right, algebra 2, but then it's such an easy concept around that. Harshit, somewhere you're not clear. Can you help me understand what is confusing you? I'll help you.
Well, first you write the formula. X is equal to k, and then you just fill in the numbers. 8 times 5 by 6.
1 minute, 1 minute. Let me put it down. I don't know what you're saying. Hold on. Let me put it down. What is that? What did I do? Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Harshit. 8 times?
X is equal to k times is 8 times 5 by
Correct.
6, which
and
is
then x was
40
what?
by
4.
6.
4 equal to k 8 5 by 6. Correct.
And then 8 times 5 is 40.
Harshad, don't do that. Okay, these are simple things where you can change. You have to simplify these two. Okay. And then 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So it will be k equal to 3 by 5. Correct? Got it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And then apply that k here. Same thing, right? K equal to yz by w. Right? YZW is given, right? Just put it down. 90 by 4, right? 9 times 10 by 4. I'm sorry. K times. Now, K is what? 3 by 5. Add the 10. X is that. That's it. Did you get it, Harshit?
Yeah.
27 by 2. You got it?
Yeah.
Fourth Y, whoops. What does it mean? Oh, okay. Oh, Shrikar, good job.
What I meant by oops was I tried to like use the formula to find k with like what is x when w y z is 4 10 9.
Oh, I got it. No. That you can't do, right? Because you don't know two values there. You have to use this.
Yeah, you don't know x, so
Yep. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Hey, did you guys all get the answer for this one?
Yeah.
Anika, you didn't get it? Okay, can I move? Okay, I'll move on. What other questions and homework you had? This is the concept that I thought I didn't tell you. This is joint proportionality, basically. So many quantities, right? Fourth one.
I have a question.
Which one?
8,
Yeah, that's
What
eight.
is that?
number 8.
the conversion.
eight.
activity.
Yeah. See, that's what I want to really go over. Okay, this is a basic concept, but many of us go wrong. Okay, I'll tell you this one. Let's not go here, but before that, let me tell you the concept. Okay, okay. Now, the side of a square, okay, is 1 inch. Okay. Now, what is the area of the square in inches, in centimeters? How do we do this? This area, okay, area is 1 inch times 1 inch, so 1 inch square. Any questions on that? Hey, Harshad, did you understand the previous problem? Proportionality?
Yeah.
Swarit, did you understand?
The number, which one?
Proportionality, what we discussed. You logged in back, you said you'll ask something you never asked.
Yeah, so the question I was about to ask was for number 3,
Mm.
k is equal to 60 all around, right? Like,
K is not equal to 60, right? Why
right,
that?
so when you get, so it says
Yeah,
if
correct.
x equals 10, y equals 6, right? So and then y equals
Correct, 60.
k over x, right? So then
Correct.
x, right?
Correct. You are right, yeah.
So then if k is 60 and y equals 4, then wouldn't x equal be like would k be
60 by 4, 30 by 2, which is
15?
15 by 2.
Yeah.
15.
X equals 15.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, Harshita, absolutely. Just message and go, man. So now, if you have a square, right, the area of the square is 1 inch square. Any questions on that? See, the thing is 1 inch square means what? See, that is why units are very important. 1 inch square is 1 inch times inch. Inch square is inch times inch. Now convert it to centimeter square. When you convert it to centimeter square, you know the conversion is this. 1 inch is 2.4 centimeter. So when you convert this, most often what you do is 1 times 2.54 centimeter square. No, that's not the answer because it has 2 inches in it. Both inches need to be converted to centimeters. So this one number is always there, whether it is 1 or 2. Let's say this is 2 inches. Then it becomes 4 inch square. So 4 inch square, if I want to convert it to centimeters, this 4, the original number, and then each of the inch should be converted to centimeter. For each of the inch, you have to multiply 2.54, 2.54. See, the
Wait,
thing is, yeah.
How is if one side length is 2 inches, how is it 4 inches squared? Isn't it 2 inches squared?
No, I changed it now, right? Because if I put 1 inch, you will all get confused. Meaning, if I put 1 inch and work with 1 inch only, it will be confusing for you later. So I
No.
changed the side to 2 inches.
Yeah, but 2 times 2 is 4, so the area is 4 inches. Oh, wait, 4 inches squared.
I changed that, right? 4 inch square. So this will be helpful for you. So I change the side from 1 inch. 1 inch means it becomes very easy for you. Something you may assume I felt. So I didn't want it to be 1 inch. So I changed it to 2 inch.
Yeah, okay.
So
So
the
when
area
you're
became 4 inches. Now that original 4 is there. After that, every inch I need to convert to centimeters. So for this 1 inch, I'll multiply by 2. The thing is, for this inch, I'll multiply by 2.54. For this inch, I'll multiply by 2. That is why the unit is very important to write. 2 inches means, suppose if it is inch cube, how to convert to centimeter cube? There are 3 inches involved. So for each of the 3 inch, I'll have to multiply by 2.54, 2.54, 2.54, whatever the number is. Suppose the volume of a cube was 48 inch cube. Converted to centimeter cube, 48 should be multiplied 3 times with this 2.54 to become centimeter cube. You got it? This is such an important piece. Okay, now you tell me, guys. There's something power minus 1. You all know negative exponents? Do you all know negative exponents?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is this?
Yeah.
4 power minus 1 is what?
1/4.
Go, Harshad, go ahead, shout out.
-4.
No.
Wait,
Yeah.
it's 1/4.
1 over
1 over 4.
1 over
Good
4.
job. Good job.
What?
Wait.
1 over 4.
How does that work though?
Okay, okay. Those of you who don't know negative exponents, let me tell you that 4 power negative, whenever you have a negative exponent, wherever the base is, push it to the denominator or numerator. Here the base is in the numerator. So push it to the denominator, the exponent becomes positive. So this is 1 by 4. Now suppose you have 1 by 4 power minus 1. Then you push it to the numerator, exponent becomes positive. You got it?
Oh, that makes sense.
Okay, so negative exponents work that way. Okay, now they have given, there is a negative exponent here. Do you see it? Meaning what they have done is you have to convert 6.60. Oh my gosh, 1 minute, guys. Give me a minute. You have to convert 16.2 inch square OZ. OZ is ounce power minus 1. Units as well work the same way as our numbers. Okay, inch square is in the numerator. Let me expand it and write inch times inch divide by OZ, because OZ comes down, push down, the power is just 1. So I just write OZ. Any questions still here? Now I have to convert OZ to gram, inch to centimeter. How? This is 1 inch, 1 inch, right? Each inch should be multiplied by 2.54, 2.54. Divide by OZ, see here, that will be converted to gram if I multiply by 28.35. OZ is down, right? So down I need to substitute that to make grams. Here this will be centimeter, centimeter. So the numbers you multiply, whatever number you get will come here. That will be centimeter square by gram, or centimeter square g power minus 1. G comes up, it gets a negative exponent. Do you all get it? See, this is a very important conversion process where everybody goes wrong. Okay, see, that is why area, when you express in a different unit, or volume, if you express in a different unit, don't be deceived. You have to multiply or divide 2 times or 3 times. For volume, it should be 3. Sometimes you'll convert from feet to inches, right? So you will be very careful in that. So this is only a sample. Now, what other questions were difficult? Did you all do this one? I did not give the answer for this one. Did you all do this one? And there was one question that had an answer incorrect.
Oh,
11th one.
Oh.
No, not the 11th. Wait. Sorry. Wait. Let me see. There was a 11 in the answer, right? 7th one. 7th one was a minus 11. Clear, huh? Okay, now tell me, Guys, were you all able to do this one? 14th?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were you all able to do this one? 16th?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Then we have all improved. That's what it means. Okay, good. Okay, now, how about this? This one I didn't give the answer for one. I wanted to check how many of you do it. How about this? Express express this is a decimal and a fraction. Vidyut, did you do that?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
How did you do? Can you explain?
I actually just 66 and 2/3
Mm.
is equal to I just knew that it was 2/3 of 1. Like
Correct. Huh?
so it's so as a decimal is 66.6. Yeah. That is
Oh, okay. I see. Then,
and then it's 2/3.
so what is the answer? Tell me.
Like the answer
Yeah, fraction.
as a fraction, the fraction is 2/3.
Oh, wow. So you got it. Okay. Who didn't get it? Annika, you got it. How about others? Zia, did you get it, ma'am?
Yeah.
Shrikar, do you know how to do that?
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, how about you, Harshat?
I got part of it.
See, 66 2 by 3. Okay, these things are very easy to do. You know what you do? 66 times 3 is what? 198 plus 2, 200 by 3, right? 200 by 3, and then the percentage, put it as percent means divide by 100, right? Percent divide by 100. So put the division by 100. Now simplify the fraction. It's 2 by 3. Do you guys get it?
Oh, yeah.
Similarly, 16 2 by 3%, right? It's all substitutions. Mostly in mathematics, it's just substitutions. That's what I see. So 16 2 by 3, right? 48 50, 50 by 3, but the percentage I cannot leave it. It's 1 by 100 if I make it into a fraction. See, now 1 by 6 is the fraction. You got it? To convert to decimal, it becomes very easy. See, the whole you have it as it is. 2 by 3 fraction is 0.666. Percentage is division by 100. When you divide by 100, the decimal moves here. That's all. Similarly here, Hamsini, yes, ma. What is that?
I did it a little bit of a different way.
What did you do?
So what I did is like 66 2 by 3. I multiplied like the whole number with the denominator and moved it up to the top, which is 200 by 3. But then the percentage is just like divide by 100. So we can we can multiply by 3 and by 100 to get 200 by 300, and then the fraction is 2 by 3.
Okay. I got it. That's fine. Any other questions? Any other questions, guys? Can I go to Pythagorean theorem?
Yeah.
Okay, I have another test for you, but you know what? Meaning we are trying to do mock tests in such a speed that I am not able to create the forms. I created the form, but I have not posted the answers for today. The form is ready though. So at the end of the class, I'll share with you that as well. But please do whatever you know. See, last test I saw somebody got 11. Good job, Harshat, on that. Did you do it by yourself or got help, Harshat?
I did it by myself.
Oh, good. See, slowly you will be able to do more problems. And I did not see the others because he was the first one who submitted. After that, I didn't get to see who all got it. Meaning I saw some good scores, which felt good. But then keep doing more problems like this. And I'll show you what is alchemist quickly before we move on to geometry. For those of you who don't know, I'm showing. Harshit, do you know alchemist?
Yeah, Auntie, you showed me
Oh,
that.
yeah, in that class. Okay. So here, see, go here. Please, guys, all of you, whoever is not working, please work on this. Okay, this solidifies. If you do it very properly, at least 5 problems every single day, come what may, do 5 problems every single day, your math will be very strong. Just 5 problems, but every single day. Wherever you are, resources, meaning you have to create a login, okay? If you are under 13 and you don't have a login, you have to create an account. You have to request parental permission, submit a PDF and get it approved. It is a process, but it is a process only for 5 minutes. Please take that effort. Okay, most of you in this class already have it, but 2 or 3 of you don't have it. I know why, because you are in classes where I don't discuss this. Here, in this class, it is pretty much required to discuss this. So here, after you get a login, log into your account, go to resources, in resources, whoever is interested in math counts, please do math counts trainer. I don't know how many of you are interested. If you really want to top your school and chapter, math counts trainer is more than enough. But it is hard to get through, meaning it's not going to be an easy task. If you come across hard problems, send it to me. Let's use this WhatsApp channel to discuss. You see, or post it in Google Classroom. Hey, how can one of you help me with this? That is how we collaborate and grow. Okay, use this class, Google Classroom, or use the WhatsApp message group to post it there and ask questions. There's nothing wrong. You don't know, somebody is going to work it out and show you and you will understand. Next time you will be that person. So math counts trainer for math counts is very good, okay? And 2 of you that are very interested, tomorrow if Harshat and Vidyut are very interested, for the win, match a time, meaning this day today, I will come for 15 minutes to play. For the win, you can go play with each other. You get it, huh? Meaning, see, when you go here, it's a wonderful resource, guys. Play. You can go game, play. If you're interested, let me know. Okay, I let Hamsini come and play. So here, it's a very good thing, actually. It's very hard, but then it's worth it. See here, when you go, yeah, so 1 minute, Amma. Let me finish, Amma. So you can create your own game, create game, start game. It will give you problems, guys. The problems are really good. So you go to resources. Okay, here is where the alchemist is. Okay, in alchemist, you can start playing. Okay, now go to change focus. You can choose any of these. Okay, go to pre-algebra first at your level. Okay, whatever we have done, right? What we have done, ratio, proportions, unit conversion, other rates, all this we have covered, percents, combining, covered in the sense from a competition aspect we have covered. As a part of class, you're already learning, right? But from the competition aspect, we have covered all of this. In all of this topic, your intent should be to get a 98 score. The blue bar, see here, when I go here, right, set new focus, see, I got only 85. Your target should be to get a 98 in every topic.
The answer to that problem is 11.
Which problem?
The problem that you just showed us.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see. Okay. This one? Yeah, that's true. That's true.
No, it's
Okay.
7, sorry.
Okay. Okay, so this is a very good one, guys, for you all to make your foundations better. Okay, so here, as and when you move on, right, from pre-algebra, meaning pre-algebra, please finish everything. If you want good score in AMC8, every topic in this particular pre-algebra should be covered to a 97. Okay, that is when you're going to make 15, 16 points in AMC8. Okay, the other 10 points are reserved for difficulty. Okay, then go to geometry. Then I told you, right, polygons, quadrilaterals, these are important, area, length, perimeter, all that you already know. It's not that you need to study geometry to go to geometry. Inequalities in triangles, you already know, right? You have studied in triangular inequality in 6th grade. So you can use that. So whatever you know, you can do. Similarly, today we will discuss Pythagorean theorem, right? Pythagorean theorem, it will be here for sure. Oh, it won't be here because it comes in pre-algebra. See, Pythagorean
Auntie, it
theorem.
was
See?
there. It was
Yeah.
in geometry.
Oh, it was in geometry, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, see.
It's right.
Oh, yeah. These two will cover today. Can I go ahead, guys? Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
So now you know how to go to Alchemist, those of you who didn't know. Samantha, Annika, Harshita. Okay, now my thing is, let me go ahead and let's come back and solve some Pythagorean theorem problems, okay? And okay, let's first do Pythagorean theorem first. The book that I said in the welcome email, right? Buy and start working, meaning a lot of it really is on you as well. You see, meaning go ahead, buy the book and start doing. If you have problems, post it in our classroom. You have off now, right? So utilize this off to do all that. Okay, now let's go to Pythagorean theorem. Yeah. Yep. Okay, let's do this. Pythagorean theorem, circles all will do. Let's see. Oh my God, I don't have notes here. Hold on, let me stop the share. Let me share this. Where is it notes? Okay, so here. Okay. So guys, wherever you see a 90-degree angle, right? You know, meaning, okay, first let me tell you how this came up. You know, there was a mathematician, Pythagoras. Many of you know, so I'll just skim through this. If you don't understand, you have to ask. This guy was playing with triangles, was playing with squares, okay? When he was playing with squares, he positioned two squares. Basically, he positioned two squares. So basically, he took a 3x3 square, okay? And he took a 4x4 square. Okay, he was just playing with squares. He was a mathematician, so he was figuring out things. Okay, that is how we learned, right? So this is a 4x4 square. You see, 4x4 square. So this area is 16 units square. Oh, I'm sorry. This is 9 units square. So when he was playing around it, it was amazing to see a 5x5 square fit in here. You see exactly smack right there, a 5x5 square fit in. So he became more curious. He started analyzing how this works. See? So basically what happens, you see, this side length is 3, this side length is 4. Exactly the 5 fit in here. When it is a right triangle, when he placed it perpendicular to each other, he found this. You see? So he started playing with more stuff. Then again, he found out when the side length is 6x6 square and 8x8 square. 8x8 square. A 10x10 square fit in. You see what I mean? He started playing with different numbers. So now there were some combinations for which it really worked nicely with whole numbers. 3, 4, 5. Any multiples of 3, 4, 5 will work. Any multiples of 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triple, meaning the sum of the squares of the legs. Let's consider this as A, this as B. A square, the leg square sum. I'm squaring the legs and then summing them up will be equal to the longest side length square. The longest side, he called it as hypotenuse. Any questions? So this is Pythagorean theorem. You all know already, right? Now, let me go ahead and ask you. There's a point 1, 5. There's another point 5, -1. I would like to know the distance from this point to this point in the coordinate plane. Is there a way to do this? I will give you a clue. Okay, this is related to the topic we are discussing. But then, could one of you let me know what is the distance from this point A to point B?
I know how to do it.
Okay, no problem. You can all solve and send the answer to me.
Could you please like mark the mark the points, like on the
I don't want to do that. Why do you want to do that? Can't you find out, Hamsini? I know what you're trying to do.
Oh yeah, you can.
I don't want to draw that. But without it, you should be able to find. Would you be able to find this is the y coordinate, this is the y coordinate? These are clues I'm giving. This is the x coordinate, this is the x coordinate. Hamsini, would you be able to find? You're muted, huh?
I will.
Okay. Be careful. One is a negative value. So what is the distance? What is the distance between A and B? This is an application of Pythagorean theorem. See, Pythagorean theorem, the school teaches you. Okay. But very rarely they go through this problem, which is an application of Pythagorean theorem. And you know what? This 3, 4, 5, any multiple of 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triple. So tomorrow if somebody comes and gives you, hey, what should come here? See how the pattern, the multiple, it's a multiple. So this should be 45. So if the legs of the right triangle are 27 and 36, the hypotenuse will be 45. Swarit, are you following?
Yeah.
Shrikar, are you following?
Do you put it in the chat? The answer?
Yeah, I'm checking. I didn't check the chat. Okay, I'll check. First of all, I have to calculate. This is my own problem. Shrikar, it won't be.
No, I sent the wrong answer. Okay.
Okay. Good job, Shrikar and Vidyut. But can I ask you, Vidyut and Shrikar, your answer is correct, but can you send it in simplified form? Samantha, you need help. Ma, whoever needs help, please feel free to ask, right? But each of you come from different backgrounds, okay? I know where, meaning, which classes are you attending? What are you doing? To a good extent, I know about each of you. So it's good to ask if you don't know. So don't even worry about the others because each of you come from different environments. So it's absolutely fine. Dear, that doesn't seem right, Amma. Anika, that's correct. Why are you not sure? Feel confident. But you know how to simplify, Anika? Hey, one more thing, okay? Answer me correctly, guys. How many of you do not have the book with you? The middle school math competition book with you?
I don't have it.
I
Can
don't.
I write down the names? Meaning, who all don't have it? Wait. Let me write down this. 1 minute, give me. I'll help you out there. You know, Harshad doesn't. Okay, tell me who all don't have it. Harshad, please raise. Big, Harshita, Sneha, and then Anika. Swarit didn't have Anika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Others have it, I'm assuming. Shrikar, you have it, huh? Harshad, Vidyut, Harshita, Sneha, Anika. Okay. No. Anika, the radical has to be simplified as a radical. Vidyut, you learned recently, right? To simplify?
Yeah, like one day I was
Very
just
nice.
not getting it, so I searched up a YouTube tutorial.
Very nice. Vidyut and Shrikar, very good job. Okay, no problem. If you forgot how to simplify, this is the best way to learn again. Okay, so here guys, See how many? Hamsi, did you get it?
Auntie,
Yeah.
I have
Huh?
one question.
Oh.
Is the answer a perfect square?
No.
I mean, not a perfect square, but like a whole number.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know what you're asking, okay, but you can send it, I'll tell you.
Okay.
It is not a whole number answer. Yes, please ask. Oh, Shrikar, you don't have the book, huh? Okay. I will contact your parents, whoever doesn't have the book, okay, I'll help you with it. Okay. Hamsi, did you get it? Are you there?
Is that correct?
I don't know. I didn't see. Oh, yeah. How 32? Yes, Harsha, that's right. Samantha, that's right. How 32, ma? So now 5, there are 5 units this level. Up this
Oh, I
level,
got
there
it.
are
I
5
got
units.
it. I got it.
So now what do you do? See, 5 and then a -1, right? So there are 6 total units, right? Here. So this leg is 6. What is this leg? The x coordinate values from 1 to 5. So subtract them, 4 units are there. So 6 square plus 4 square, the legs I'm squaring and summing. That will be the square of the longest side. That's the distance square. The distance square is that. So 36 plus 16. What did I do, guys? Did I make a mistake?
No.
5 minus.
No, that's correct. Yeah, it's
5
correct.
minus. Okay, so 36 plus 16. Okay, equal to h square. 52 will be equal to h square. Take square root on both sides. H will be equal to square root of 52. However, how to simplify that? Remember, 52. Take prime factorization. 2, 6, 2, 13. So I'll write the 52 as 2, 2, 13. For every 2 copies of the same number, bring one out and write. That is simplification. 2 root 13. Swarit, are we getting it?
I was not sure of my answer at first because it was not a whole number and it's usually a whole number.
Oh yeah, that's okay. It will never be a whole number in these cases. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see. Okay, how about this? Special right triangles, I don't know if I will have the time. Let's see. I want to do that, but let's see. How about this? How about this? Okay. Ant is crawling along outside of the box. Ant is crawling along outside of this box. We will do special right triangles and then we'll go. It will not take time, I promise. Okay. Okay. The ant is crawling outside of this box. Okay, what is the shortest distance he can walk from A to B? A to B, what is the shortest distance? He has to walk from A to B. What is the shortest distance he can walk? Any thoughts, guys, how to do?
Wait, would you see the distance of the hypotenuse for the
Which
leg with
hypotenuse?
30? Like the leg with the 30 centimeters?
30 and?
9.
Yeah, that is true. That's what you need to find. You need to find basically that's true. So you need to find this distance, right?
Oh, the entire distance. Okay.
Yeah, that distance is the shortest, but how to find it? Thing is,
Oh, Auntie,
this
would
becomes
you add these two, like 30 and 10, and then would you do with 9? Like 9 squared plus 40 squared? And if
I would think so. I would think so. So you guys get an idea here what how to do? Meaning you make two right triangles find this hypotenuse and that becomes the leg. These two become the leg and then you can find the shortest distance. Can we try at home?
Yeah.
Guys, yes, no, you have to answer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you getting it? We'll do more. Guys, do you get an idea of this? Form one right triangle. Then take that as a leg and then another leg and then form the, find the hypotenuse again. That is your short.
I think I found like the whole number. I know there's a decimal, but I think I found the whole number.
Okay, let me move on from this. Okay, I want to really do this. Okay, see, consider an equilateral triangle. This is 30, 60, 90. There is a special concept called 30, 60, 90 triangle. What is this 30, 60, 90? Let's see. Now I'm considering an equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle has a special property. If you draw an altitude to an equilateral triangle, it bisects the base. Please remember this, guys. These are all very basic concepts in geometry. For an equilateral triangle, if you draw an altitude that is at 90 degree to the base, it bisects the base. So now I want to find out the side lengths of each triangle. For that, see, I can consider this as x, this as x, this as x. But I don't want to do that because then this will be a fractional value, right? So what can I do about it? Yes, go ahead, Harshit.
We can name it a different variable.
How?
Like instead x by 2 is equal. I mean, that instead of x by 2, that side can be y and the other can be y.
That side can be?
Y.
No, I don't want another variable.
I think I
Yes, sorry, go ahead. Sorry,
Right,
Tarvidit, go
maybe you
ahead.
could change the like the length of x to 2x and then put
Very nice. This is x, this is 2x, correct. This is 2x. All of these sides are 2x. This is x. Now, this is as well x then, right? Now, my
Yeah.
main problem is let me form the Pythagorean. This is right triangle, right? This is a right triangle. I can make a Pythagorean formula here. What is the Pythagorean formula? Who can shout it out?
A square plus b square equals c square.
Yes,
A
yes,
square
ma,
plus
but
B square equal to C square.
that is fine, but with the values.
X plus 2x plus square root of 3x.
Wait. How will you form the Pythagorean formula for this right triangle? Come on, guys.
2x squared plus x squared.
2x square is the longest length. That will be equal to what? This side is the longest
2x
length.
square is x squared plus something else
Let's call
squared.
this as height.
3.
H
H squared.
H square. Are you all with me?
Yeah.
Now, what is this height? That's what I need to find out. So subtract x square on both sides. You see, x square works just like x. Okay. So this will be 2x, the whole square is each squared. So this will be 4x square minus x square will be equal to h square. So 3x square will be equal to h square. So h will be equal to square root of 3x. Am I with you all?
Yeah.
Now, when you think about this, right? This was an equilateral triangle, I said, right? So this is 60, this is 90, this is 30. That is why it's called a 30, 60, 90 triangle. 30, 60, 90 right triangle is a very special triangle. See the sides. Sides are in the ratio. The shortest side is this one, right? Smallest angle opposite is the shortest side, x. 60-degree angle. This is root 3x, 2x. Do you all get it? See the ratio of the sides. This is very special in mathematics. So, in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the ratio is x, root 3x and 2x. You got it? So, if they give you any one side, you can find the other side. You tell me in a 45, 45, 90 triangle how to find. The same logic applies. Let's say this is 90, this is 45 degree, 45 degree. So, since these two angles are equal, this will be x, what the hypotenuse will be. Apply Pythagorean theorem. What will it be? What will the hypotenuse be? We'll finish with this. What will the hypotenuse be? Shout out, guys. How will we apply Pythagorean theorem here?
X squared plus
2x.
2x squared equals
No. Shrikar, go ahead with what you said. Each leg I need to square it, right?
x squared plus x squared equals 8.
X square plus x square will be equal to the hypotenuse square. So h square will be equal to 2x square. X square operates the same way as x. X square and x square can be added. 2x square. So h will be equal to root 2x. So this side will be root 2x. So the ratio is x is to root 2x. There is always a multiplier, but then the ratio is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. Here it is 1 is to root 3 is to root 2. You guys get it? So there are two special right triangles where one can have 30, 60, 90, one can have 45, 45, 90. So the side ratios, meaning if they give one side, you'll be able to find. Suppose let's say I'm saying, hey, I have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay. The longest side, which is the longest side among the three? Who can tell me which is the longest side?
2x.
Longest side is 10 means I would equate 2x to 10. So x will be 5. What are the other two sides? The other two sides are 5 and 5 root 3. You all got it?
Yeah.
Similarly, if I say the longest side for this 45, 45, 90 triangle is 5 root 2. Can you tell me the other two sides?
Uh,
The longest side is 5. Message for that. The longest side is 5 root 2. What are the other two sides?
um,
Huh?
mm,
Just compare.
x equals
X is what?
5.
5. So this is 5, this is 5. You all got it? The takeaway for this is, yeah, go ahead.
Oh, how is the longest side 5 root square? Oh wait.
I am giving you 5 root 2. I'm giving you this.
Okay.
Okay.
Right,
So,
every question gives one value, right?
yeah, any one value they'll give.
And then we
But
have to
what you need to remember is this 30, 60, 90 triangle. The ratio is x, the medium side is root 3x. 2x is the longest side. Why? 1 is lesser than root 3. Root 3 is 1.73.
Yeah.
2 is greatest. So 2x is the greatest side, longest side. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. The multiplier you will always multiply. 45, 45, 90 is xx root 2x. Any questions? Ma, I'm going to give you problems in this, okay? You're going to substitute and whatever, you're going to do it, okay? Come back with questions. Any questions for me? But when should I keep the test? Meaning test for this class, right? When will we do? Maybe I'll give you time till. No, why don't I give you time till Saturday or Friday? Tomorrow night? Is it okay?
Can we do Saturday?
What is it? Saturday, huh? Why, Swarit? Why are you postponing?
I don't know.
Let's do tomorrow night.
Okay.
Push yourself out of the comfort zone. Then only you'll be able to do.
Okay.
Okay, tomorrow night we'll have. Okay, tomorrow night I'll post
the
it in
link in
Google
Google
Classroom.
Classroom.
I'll post it in Google Classroom and more problems on Pythagorean theorem and 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90 triangle I'll give you. Make sense? Okay, these are all new concepts, okay? But once we do this, right, we'll go ahead and work on circles, quadrilateral geometry, these problems for MC8. Okay, any questions for me? Shall we stop here? Did you learn something? Anika, Harshad, Vidyut, Swarit,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shrikar?
I just noted down like the ratios.
Yeah, ratios are only important here, but you need to know how you got it, okay?
Yeah.
Here, did you learn something, Samantha, Harshita?
Yeah.
Good. But note down the ratios is what is important. 30, 60, 90 triangle, you have to identify. As soon as you see a 30, 60, 90 triangle, they should come in your mind. As soon as you see a 40, 40, 90 triangle, they should come in your brain. Okay, the ratios are 1, 1, root 2. Here, 1, root 3, 2. These you can memorize, not a problem. Okay. Have a happy Thanksgiving, guys. I finished my class today in the morning itself. Okay. Happy Thanksgiving. See you all only on December 12th, I think. When is the next class? When is the next class, guys?
December
Do you
12th.
know? You don't know?
I don't know.
I think I
Wow.
know.
Huh?
I think
Wait, is it December 10th or December 12th?
I don't know. I'm checking, guys.
12th
Hold
is
on.
on a Thursday, I think.
I think it's 12th.
12th
I
is
don't know.
on a Thursday.
I'm checking, guys. I will make sure you all know because you all will forget as well. Hold on. I'm checking. When is the class, guys? I need to check. Hold on. I will check and tell you, and then you can leave. Hold on.
Papa,
Yeah, the next class is December 12th. Okay. But I'll give you a bunch of homework.
Is it on a Thursday or a Tuesday?
I don't know. You want me to check?
December 12th is a
it's on a Thursday.
Hi. December 12th.
It's a Thursday.
Yeah, it's a Thursday. Okay, guys. See you all then.
It's
Bye bye.
late, right? Not morning, right?
Oh, it's not morning. It will be in the evening because I'm not free in the morning.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you all. Happy Thanksgiving to you all.
Friday, happy
Bye.
Thanksgiving.
See you. Happy Thanksgiving.
To you too.